Question number 4, we have to state whether the following are true or false and we have to justify our answer. First subdivision given is, they are telling sin A plus B equal to sin A plus sin B. Now we can say that this statement is going to be true only if it is going to be true for all the values of A and B. Suppose we take angle A to be 30 degree and B to be 60 degree. Sin 30 degree plus 60 degree equal to sin 30 degree plus sin 60 degree. You can see that we have sin 90 degree equal to, your sin 30 degree value is 1 by 2 plus sin 60 degree value is root 3 by 2. Now you will get, you know that sin 90 degree value is 1. 1 is not equal to root 3 plus 1 by 2. So the condition fails there. You can say this statement is true only if it is satisfying for all the angles of A and B. Since we can see a failure here, then your answer is going to be false. Second subdivision, they have given the value of sin theta increases as theta increases. We are going to write all the angles. Theta value 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. Now we are going to write the corresponding sin theta value. This is 0, 1 by 2, then you have 1 by root 2, then root 3 by 2. This is 1. You can see that when we are moving, when the theta value is increasing, the value of sin theta is also increasing. 1 by root 2 is 1 by 1.4142, which is going to be more than half. Then this is 1.732 divided by 2, which is going to be further more. So you can see that the value is slowly increasing from 0 to 1. Therefore, the statement is true. You can say that the value of sin theta increases as theta increases. Now the given statement is, the value of cos theta increases as theta increases. We are going to write the angles. 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. Your cos theta values are going to be 1, then you have root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, then 0. Now you can see, as theta is increasing, the value of cos theta is slowly decreasing from 1 to 0. It is decreasing from 1 to 0. Now when you see that theta is increasing, cos theta value is decreasing. So the answer is false. Subdivision 4, the given statement is sin theta is equal to cos theta for all values of theta. We know that sin 0 degree is not equal to cos 0 degree, because sin 0 degree is 0, cos 0 degree is 1. Similarly, we know that sin 90 degree is not equal to cos 90 degree, because sin 90 degree is 1, cos 90 degree is 0. Now you can see that sin theta is not equal to cos theta for many values. So the given statement is false. Fifth subdivision, the statement given is cot A is not defined for A is equal to 0 degree. Now you know that cot A is equal to 1 by tan A. then cot 0 degree is going to be 1 by tan 0 degree. Tan 0 degree value is 0. So your cot 0 degree is going to be 1 by 0. Division by 0, 1 cannot be divided by nothing. So practically it is not defined. Therefore the statement cot A is not defined for A is equal to 0 degree is true.